In this tutorial, you will learn how to resize an image in PowerPoint 2016 without distorting its quality. This method is designed to help you maintain the correct proportions of your image while ensuring that it remains sharp and professional throughout your presentation. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Locate and open the PowerPoint application, which you can start from your desktop or through your computer's Start menu. Once PowerPoint is open, take a moment to confirm that you have the correct program version and recognize the familiar interface that will allow you to smoothly execute the following steps. After opening the application, navigate to the presentation you intend to work on. Open the file that contains your slide deck by selecting it from your stored documents or recent files list. Identifying the right presentation is key, so be sure you are working on the intended project. This step ensures that all of your subsequent modifications are made in the correct file, preserving both your work and the overall consistency of your presentation. With your presentation open, locate the specific slide that holds the image you wish to resize. Once on the correct slide, click directly on the image. This action activates selection handles around the image, confirming that you have selected the object you wish to modify. Seeing these handles means that your image is prepared for editing, and you can now proceed with the resizing process. The next step involves pressing the Shift key on your keyboard while you click and drag one of the image's corner handles. Holding the Shift key is crucial because it locks the aspect ratio of the image. By doing so, you prevent any stretching or skewing that can occur when resizing without such a precaution. As you drag from a corner, you will see the image gradually increase or decrease in size, retaining its original proportions. Carefully adjust the size until you achieve the desired dimensions for your slide. Once you are satisfied with the new size and placement, release the mouse button followed by the Shift key to finalize the adjustment. This resizing technique is invaluable for preserving the quality and balance of your design. When you enlarge or shrink an image, keeping the aspect ratio intact ensures that the image does not appear distorted or unprofessional. Whether you are working on a business presentation, an academic lecture, or any other project, this method is both simple and effective. It helps maintain the integrity of your visuals, contributing to a polished and well-organized slide layout. After resizing your image, take a moment to review the entire slide. Ensure that the image is well positioned and complements the other elements present. Aligning your image properly using PowerPoint's built-in alignment tools further enhances the overall appearance of your presentation. Paying attention to details such as image quality and layout can make a significant difference in your final slideshow. With these clear steps, you now have a reliable method for resizing images in PowerPoint 2016. This approach, combining the simplicity of a Shift key adjustment with the precision of corner dragging, equips you with an essential skill in creating high-quality presentations. Enjoy practicing this technique and refining your design skills as you work on your project.